Welcome to your gateway to mastering the intricate world of pencil drawing. Are you eager to discover your inner artist and breathe life into your sketches? Join us on this creative journey. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of how to draw with precision and finesse? Let's dive into the artistry of pencil drawing. In this immersive experience, you'll find answers to questions like how to draw an eye and how to draw a nose. But that's just the beginning. Click the link below and start learning how to draw like a master artist. We'll unravel the art of creating lifelike faces, guide you through the intricacies of bird sketches, and delve deep into the world of portrait drawing. Feeling uninspired? We've got you covered. Discover endless possibilities for your next masterpiece. Learn how to breathe life into your drawings, from the fundamentals to hyper-realistic portraits. And guess what? Mastery doesn't require years. You'll progress rapidly and create gallery-worthy art from the get-go. Our teaching approach is anything but traditional. No more dull classrooms. Dive into practical, hands-on sessions that ensure you truly grasp the concepts. Join us in every class as we draw together in real time. This way, you'll gain confidence with every stroke. Whether you're at your computer, tablet, or smartphone, our course is available in high-definition quality to suit your preferences. As you progress through the initial modules, you'll be astounded by your growth. Show off your newfound talent and even consider taking on commissions. Get started today by clicking the button below. Ready to venture into portrait drawing? We've got you covered. We start with the eyes, the windows to the soul. Master shading, reflections, and intricate eyelashes. You'll soon confidently capture any eye, regardless of color or direction. Move on to noses, mouths, ears, cheeks, chins, foreheads, and necks. We'll guide you in understanding how each element contributes to a lifelike portrait. But we won't stop there. Dive into the art of drawing realistic hair. And let's not forget beards. By now, you'll have completed 26 hours of training, empowering you to create lifelike portraits that capture every detail. So, what's included in the course? Over 26 hours of in-depth art lessons. Plus these fantastic bonuses. Lesson on drawing clothing and textures. Secrets to drawing hands. Fixing common drawing problems. Downloadable templates and references. And there's a cherry on top. We'll add a complete course on drawing realistic birds. You'll receive a total of 42 hours of HD content. Don't miss out. Click the link below for instant access to all the classes and bonuses. You could be sketching your first lesson in just 5 minutes. And here's our personal guarantee, a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. You've got everything to gain and nothing to lose. Invest in your artistic journey today. Click the link below and unleash your full creative potential.